kem ħabejtek u kem stennejtek, kem xat li lilek nerġa' nħoss. L-qalbek tħabbat, l-qalbi tqabbat, bifjamma nar ta' mħabba li ma tintefat. Dal-qlub li weġġaw, dal-qlub li jikbew, li ġarbu firda, dmuħi ċar mill-għajnejn. Lub imweġġa f'baħar ta' twil.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Can you please hear me all? First of all, my name is Austin Bartholow. I organized this. It was a big job. This is a Maltese film, which I'm sure we're very proud of, to be able to produce things like this over here. I would like to thank you so much for coming over. It's been a big job, but it's working fine so far, so good. And the other thing is, this film is made by a bloke called Charles Melly. He's the producer, director, and actor. And also he wanted me to tell you, because he's in Malta, of course, would like to thank you so much as well for you coming over to this do. Also, we've got guests tonight, which is the Maltese Consulate from Melbourne, Joanna Pisani. Thank you very much for coming. So thank you very much. Thank you.
Well done.
Bahar tranquil, il-mewġi kisser, lena l-paċi u
Din kienet uħtok. Wara l-mewt ta' Patricia sirna nafu li ximkien kienet teżisti t-tewwija tagħha.
Thank you. Thank you.
Have to get another one.
Yes. Thanks for coming.
Very nice, grazie.
Thank you.
Grazie
Thanks for coming. Thank you.
Bżonn jagħmlu l-niżu.
Thank you. Glad you enjoyed it. Thank you. Bye.
How are you involved with this?
My dad.
What is he? Is he the producer?
No, Charles the actor is the producer.
Oh. How's your dad involved?
He knows the story.
Oh, that's
ħafna ħin biżejjed qalbi trid tiegħek viċin għal dejjem dal-lum li weġġaw dal-lum li bkew li ġarbu firda dbuj ġar